What's up guys, this is Brad at Hourglass Fab and I want to thank everybody for joining in to another video. I know I've been inconsistent with content, but I am working on a strategy to be able to bring you guys weekly content with my work schedule. I appreciate everybody's patience. I like educating. I like making these videos. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about TIG consumables and how we can organize them utilizing a pelican case as well as Kaizen foam. I'll go over the tools you need, a quick overview of the process, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. So that's just a quick overview showing you kind of the process behind it. Everybody does things differently. Everybody uses different tools. That's just my way of doing things. I'm more than happy to answer any questions regarding the process. If anybody has any questions, jump down in the comments below. I'll be replying to all the comments on this video. Thank you very much for watching another video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe and stick around for tool reviews and welding content and stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time, guys.